In previous videos, we explored the basic building blocks common across all programming languages. Now, let's dive into a fundamental concept: sequence and decision control, essential in every modern programming language. When you write a simple program where instructions are executed one after another, that's sequential control. Each line runs in the order it appears. Think of standing in a queue. Everyone gets their turn one after another. That's sequence. No skipping allowed. But what if you want to skip certain lines based on a condition? In sequence, that's not possible. You can either delete or comment out the line. Deleting removes the line permanently. Commenting keeps the code, but it won't execute. It stays there for reference. Sometimes you don't want to delete or comment. You want the code to run only under certain conditions. That's where decision control comes in. Imagine this. Your house door is locked. You want to go inside. The condition: you must have the key. It's either true or false. In programming, we write conditions like this: 2 == to 2. True, 2 == to 4. False. There are only two outcomes. Either the condition is true or it's false. To handle such conditions, we use decision control statements. Examples include if, else, and nested if-else. These are found in nearly all programming languages. To write flexible and intelligent programs, mastering sequence and decision control is essential. And remember, the rules for writing these statements must be followed strictly.